Hello children, welcome to Math Park. Our today's topic is linear programming. This is the second part, and in this video I'm going to solve the past paper questions. So the link for the conceptual video will be put in the description of this video, children. So let's start with the first question of today's video. Find the equations of the lines L1, L2 and L3. The unshaded region is defined by three inequalities. Write down the three inequalities. So first, let us write the equation. So you can see the dotted line here, L1, and each point on this line, y coordinate is 1. So the L1, the equation is y is equal to 1. For L2, the equation of a line is in the form of y is equal to mx plus c. The y coordinate, the y-intercept here is 0. We need to find the slope. To find the slope, let us find the vertical distance and horizontal distance. So this is your vertical distance, which is 2 units, and horizontal distance is 1 unit. So 2 upon 1, the slope is 2. So we get y is equal to 2x plus 0. So the equation of L2 is y is equal to 2x. Got it? Using the slope and intercept form. Okay. Now finding the equation of the third line, you can see the coordinate here, it is 0, x is 0, y is 5. And here x is 5, y is 0. So what do you see here? X plus y is equal to 5. So L3, the equation is x plus y is equal to 5. Other way to find the equation of this line is you can find the slope. The slope, since it is sloping down, the slope is minus 1. So vertical distance is minus 5. This is the vertical distance and this is the horizontal distance. So the slope is minus 1. So you get y is equal to minus x plus 5 because the y-intercept is 5. It is cutting y-axis at 5. Shifting this x here, you get x plus y is equal to 5. This is how we got the three equations. We have done with the first part. Now the unshaded region is defined by three inequalities. Write down the three inequalities. Unshaded region, okay, is defined by three inequalities. The unshaded region is defined by three inequalities. So this is the region R, and we have to write down the three inequalities. For example, if I have to say y is equal to 1. So if I see here up in this area, the region, you can see the y is greater than 1. Can you see here? 2. The point here is 2.52. So the value of y is greater than 1. Right? All the points in this region, y values are greater than 1. So the first inequality that we get, that is y is greater than 1. This is our first inequality. The second one, y is equal to 2x. So what is the relation? For the line L2, the region is, this is the region which represents the line L2 as well. So the inequality L2 as well. So let us find what is the inequality. So if I take this point 2, 2. So what do you see here? When I take this point 2 and 2, we can see that y, the value of y is what is value, and if I take 2 times of value of y is 2 and value of x is also 2. Let us substitute in this equation y is equal to 2x. So what is happening here? 2 times 2, I get 4. So we find that y is less than 4. We said 2 is less than 4. So since it is a bold line, we can say it is that y is less than equal to 2x. So our next inequality is y is less than equal to 2x. You got it? The third one, x plus y is equal to 5 is the equation of the line L3. Now let us look for this region over here. And what you observe here, if I take the value of x as, let me take this point as say 3, comma 2. So this is 3 and 2. So let me put here 3 plus 2. What is happening here? 3 plus 2, 5. So it is 3 plus 2. We can find that it is less than or equal to, it is equal to 5. So if I take another point on this line, say, let me take this point is 2, comma 2. So 2, 2. If I substitute in this line, x plus y is some relation, but we have to find whether it is less than or equal to, is equal to 5. So if we put x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 2, 2 plus 2 is 4, and 4 is less than equal to 5. So the third inequality that we get here is x plus y is less than equal to 5. Got it? So this is our B part and this was our A part. We have done with the question number 1. Moving to question number 2, this is the question from the sample paper for 2025. So children, this type of questions you will be expecting further in the boards. So on the grid, draw the lines y is equal to x. Now y is equal to x means if x is 1, y is 1. If x is 2, y is 2. If x is 3, y is 3. X is 4, y is 4. So this is the line which passes through the center, through the origin. So drawing the equation of this line, y is equal to x. You will be using the ruler in the exam. Here I am not able to. So this is your line which is y is equal to x. So y is equal to x, we have done with the first part. Next, we have to draw x plus y is equal to 7. So x and y, if x is 0, you get y is 7. And if y is 0, you get x is equal to 7. If you take x is equal to 4, you will get y is equal to 3. So 4, 3 is this point. Let us take some other color for this. So 4, 3 is this point. Okay. Then 0, 7. X is 0, y is 7. And x is 7 and y is 0. So let us join these points. And this is our line. X plus y is equal to 7. So first part, that is A part of this question is done. This is our line x plus y is equal to 7. Now, region R satisfies the three inequalities. Y is greater than equal to 0, y is less than equal to x, and x plus y is greater than equal to 7. On the grid, label the region R. So always remember, we need to shade the unwanted region. Now, for y is greater than equal to 0, the boundary line is going to be y is equal to 0. So the x-axis is nothing but y is equal to 0, and y is greater than equal to 0. So the region below is going to be the unwanted region. The region below the x-axis is going to be the unwanted region. Now for the line y is less than x. For the line y is less than x. So if I take the point below, okay, so this is the line equation of line y is, if I take the line point below, so value of y here is 2 and value of x is here 3. So what we observe here, so this is y is less than x. So here we can see that y is less than x. So the unwanted region is going to be above the line. So this region 2, 3 is satisfying this equation y is less than equal to x. So the unwanted region is going to be above this line. So we did for the second line, that is y is equal to x. We are left with the third line, which is x plus y is equal to 7. Now for x plus y is equal to 7, let us take the point 0, 0. So if I put x is equal to 0, for x plus y is equal to 7, if I take is greater than equal to 7, this is the inequality, okay. If I put x is 0 and y is 0, so 0 is greater than equal to 7, no, it is less than. So the unwanted region is going to be the region which is below the line, okay, because here we are finding that x plus y is greater than equal to 7, but we are finding 0 is greater than, so this region below does not satisfy the inequality. So we shade the unwanted region which is going to be below 1. X plus y is greater than equal to 7. The region unwanted is this. So the region which satisfies this inequality is this R. This is the region which satisfies the inequality. Understood, children? Moving to question number 3. By drawing suitable lines and shading unwanted regions, find the region R where x is greater than equal to 2, y is greater than equal to x, 2x plus y is less than equal to x. So, by drawing the suitable line. So, what is the boundary line? The boundary line is going to be x is equal to 2. Again, this is going to be a bold line, solid line, because it is greater than equal to. So, 2 is going to be included. So, x is equal to 2. This is our line, x is equal to 2. You will have to use the ruler for drawing this. So the first boundary line is ready, which is x is equal to 2. Second is y is greater than equal to x. Our boundary is going to be y is equal to x. So that passes through the center. So 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 3, 3. These are the points. So the second line we draw, which is y is equal to x. This is again going to be a solid line because it is greater than equal to is the inequality. So we have done with the second line. Now for the third line, let us take the points which are to be plotted. So 2x plus y is equal to 8. This is going to be our boundary line. So if you take x is equal to 0, let us take the points x and y. If you take x is equal to 0, in this place if you put x is equal to 0, you get y is equal to 8. Okay, and if you put y is equal to 0, then you get 2x is equal to 8, so x is equal to 4. So these are the points that we get. If you put x is equal to y is equal to 0, you are getting x is equal to 4. So let us plot these 2 points. Plotting these points, yeah, 0, 8. So 0, 8 is this point. The next is 4, 0. So 4, 0 is this point. Okay. And one more point let us take. If you put x is equal to 3, let us take what is the value. X is equal to 3. 3 times 2 is 6. So y is equal to 8 minus 6, which is 2. So 3, 2. So 3, 2, this is one of the points. So let us join these points carefully. So with the ruler properly, you have to join the points. So this is our line 2x plus y is equal to 8. This is the boundary line done. Now, so shading the unwanted region, we have to find the region R. The first one is x is greater than equal to 2. So greater than equal to 2 is going to lie all on the right hand side. So this is my unwanted region for the first line, which is x is greater than equal to 2. This is my unwanted region. Now the second line, which was y is equal to x. For y is equal to x, if I take the y is greater than equal to x. So y is greater than equal to x, all the points above are going to satisfy y is greater. So if I take this point, for example, 7. So 7 is greater than 4. So this is the region which is satisfying. So the unwanted region is going to be below the line. So this is my unwanted region for y is equal to x, which is being shaded down below. This is your unwanted region for this line y is equal to x. The third line, which is now 2x plus y is equal to 8. So it is 2x plus y is less than equal to 8. So if I take 0, 0, if you put 0, 0, if you take x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0, so we get 0 is less than equal to 8. So the below region is satisfying, the below wala region is satisfying the inequality. So the unwanted region for this line is going to be above the line. So this is your unwanted region. So the region which is left unshaded is our required region which satisfies all the three inequalities. Let us highlight that. So this is the region which satisfies the inequalities. This is our region which satisfies all the three inequalities. This is our region R. Okay. So this is our region R. There is less place here. So I'm just mentioning here. This is your region R. Now you are asked to find the largest value of x plus y in region R. So to find the largest value of x plus y in the region R, let us take the points in the corner on the boundary line because all of these are bold. So we can have, this is one of the point which is, as I said, that the maximum and minimum is at the corners. So the coordinates of these points are x is 2 and y is 4. If x is 2 and y is 3, or we have x is 2 and y is 2, we have these points over here. Okay, at the complete this thing. So 2 plus 4, this is 6. 2 plus 3 is 5 and 2 plus 2 is 4. So the largest value of x plus y in the region R is 6. And where it is? At the coordinate 2, 4. So this is the largest value for x plus y, which is 6 in the region which is being represented by all the three inequalities. The last question, Jose and Caesar are tailors. They make X jackets and Y suits each week. And Jose does all the cutting and the Caesar does all the sewing. To make jackets, it takes 5 hours of cutting and 4 hours of sewing. To make suits, it takes 6 hours of cutting and 10 hours of sewing. Neither of the tailor works for more than 60 hours a week. For sewing, the first part show that 2x plus 5y is less than equal to 30. So jackets which are denoted by x takes 4 hours of sewing. It takes 4 hours of sewing. And the suits which are y, which take 10 hours of sewing. So, and the Caesar who is a tailor, he can work only for 60 hours per week. So 4 hours of sewing, that is 4x. 10 hours of saving the suit, which is plus 10y, and it is he's working only for 60 hours, not more than that. So 4x plus 10y is less than equal to 60. Divide this throughout by 2. So 4x divided by 2 you get 2x. 10 divided by 2 is 5. So 5y. 60 divided by 2 is 30. So this is how we get 2x plus 5y is less than equal to 30 is the first inequality which is being represented by the given conditions. Second, write down the another inequality in x and y for cutting. Now for cutting jacket x, it takes 5 hours of cutting. Jacket x, it takes 5 hours of cutting. It is taking 5 hours of cutting. And suit y, it takes 6 hours of cutting. Okay. So 5 hours of cutting, so 5x, and 6 hours of cutting for a suit, so 6y, and none of the tailor that is working for more than 60, so 5x plus 6y is less than equal to 60 is our second inequality. This is our second inequality. The next, they make at least 8 jackets. They make at least 8 jackets, at least. So it could be more than 8 also. So the third inequality is x is greater than equal to 8. So these are the three inequalities we have done with. This is our A part, this is your B, and this is our C. So we have done with A, B, C. Moving on to the next part of the question. On your grid, show the information in parts A, B, C. So what were our inequalities? Our inequalities were 2x plus 5y is less than equal to 30. So let us write it here. 2x plus 5y is less than equal to 30. The next was 5x plus 6y is less than equal to 60. So 5x plus 6y is less than equal to 60, and the third was x is greater than equal to 8. Now, we need to represent these inequalities on the number line and show the unwanted region, to see the wanted region unshaded. Okay, now for drawing these number lines, x is greater than equal to 8. So, x is equal to 8 is going to be our boundary line. So, x is equal to 8. Let us draw that line, x is equal to 8. So our first line, that is x is equal to 8, we are drawing. Use the ruler, children. Using the ruler, you will draw the line x is equal to 8. So we are done with the first one, x is equal to 8. Okay, now let us draw the another line. So which is, say 2x plus 5y is equal to 30. So for 2x plus 5y is equal to 30, let us create a table, say x and y. So if x is 0, you get 5y is equal to 30. So y is equal to 30 by 5, which is 6. And if y is 0, so you get 5x and 2x plus 5y is equal to 30. So if y is 0, you get 2x is equal to 30. So x is equal to 30 by 2, which is 15. Okay. Or if you take x is equal to 5. So 5 times 2 is 10. 2 times 5. So 5 times 2 is 10. 10 goes here. 30 minus 10 is 20. So 5y is equal to 20. So you get y is equal to 20 by 5, which is 4. So if you are taking x is equal to 5, you are getting y is equal to 4. So let us plot these points 0, 6. So x is 0 and y is 6 is this point. X is 0, y is 6. Next it is x is 5 and y is 4. So 5, 4 are these 2 points. Let us join these 2 points and draw the boundary line for this. Again, it is going to be a darker one because it is less than equal to 30. So draw this boundary line. Use the ruler to draw this boundary line properly. So this is the line which is 2x plus 5y is less than equal to 30. Now let us draw for the next one, which is, let's draw the third line, which is 5x plus 6y is less than equal to 60. Now in this, if you put x is equal to, if you put y is equal to 5, if you put y is equal to 5, 6 5s are 30, you get x is equal to 6. If you put x is equal to 0, you get 6y is equal to 60, so y is equal to 10. If you put y is equal to 0, you get 5x is equal to 60, so x is equal to 60 by 5, which is 12. So let us plot this point 6, 5. So x is 6, y is 5, this point. Okay. X is 6 and y is 5. Okay. X is 0 and y is 10. 0, 10 is this point. X is 12 and y is 0 is this point. Let us draw the line for these points. Join them properly. with the ruler. So we are done with the lines. 3 lines are done now. So this is our line, which is 5x plus 6y is less than is equal to 60. Is equal to 60 is our line. Okay. Now we are going to shade the unwanted region. So if we take x is greater than equal to 8. So if x is greater than equal to 8, all the portion which is on the left hand side is going to be not satisfying the inequality. Unwanted region will be all on the left hand side. This is going to be unwanted region for x is greater than equal to 8. So we have done with the shading the unwanted region for x is greater than equal to 8. Now let us start for the another line, which is 5x plus 6y. So this is the line 5x plus 6y is equal to 60, which is less than equal to 60. So if I take x is 0 and y is 0, so we get 0. If I take this point 0, 0, so this is the point which is satisfying, which is less than equal to 60 is satisfying. So the unwanted region is going to be region which is above the line. The unwanted region is going to be the region which is above this line. So this is my unwanted region for 5x plus 6y is less than equal to 60. This is the unwanted region for this line. Now let us start for the line. For the line 2x plus 5 is less than equal to 30. Again, we take the x ka value as 0 and y ka value as 0, the origin. And 0 is less than equal to 30. So the region below is satisfying. So the region above the line is not satisfying. So we shade the region above the line. We shade the region all above the line, which is the unwanted region. And we are left with the unshaded region, which represents the inequality, So let us highlight that region which represents the inequality. And this is the region which is representing, this color is not seen. So let us show with the black. So this is the region which satisfies the inequality. Okay. This is the region which satisfies the inequality. The profit on the jacket $30 and on suit it is $100. Calculate the maximum profit that Joe's and Caesar can make in a week. So this on X, the X part that is on X axis is our jackets. Okay, these are our jackets. And on Y axis are our suits. These are our suits. So we have to now find out the E part. We have shaded the unwanted region. We are left with the last part of the question. The profit on the jacket is $30 and on a suit it is $100. Calculate the maximum profit that Joe and Caesar can make in a week. So the maximum points are always at the corner. So let us create a table for that, X and Y. So let us take the points. So this is 8. So we have 8 and 2. So x is 8 and y is 2. This is one of the point. Then we have x is 9 and y is 2. So 9 and 2. Then we have mm, x is 10 and y is 1. So x is 10 and y is 1. So these are the points. So remember at the corner. So 9 plus 2, 11. So let us find the values. So we have 9 threes are 27. So 9 times 30 is 270 plus 2 times 100 is 200. So 100 plus 200 is $470. 8 threes are 240 and 2 times 10 is 200. So 200 plus 2, it is 440. So if I take this points 10 and 1, 10 times 3 is 300 plus 1 time 100 is 100. So which is 400. So the maximum profit is made at this point 92 and which is $470. So the profit on jacket, when for each it is $30, on suit it is $100. The maximum profit Joe's and Caesar can make in a week at this point 92. Okay. So this is how the maximum profit Joe's and Caesar can make is $470. Got it, children? So if you feel this video is helpful, see that you share with your friends. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.